Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Linear Algebra asked in csirnet 2021. So our question is, let B is equals to P such that Px is equals to A0 plus A1x plus A2x square, where A0, A1 and A2 belongs to real number. Be the subvector space of all polynomials of t from V to V. Be the linear operator given by t of p is equals to p of 0 minus p of 1 plus p0 plus p1 of x plus p0 of x square. Then sum of the eigenvalue of t is. So here we have to draw the matrix, and from that matrix we have to find the eigenvalue of t. What is the eigenvalue of a t? Sum of the eigenvalue of t, that is we have to find the trace of the that matrix t. So let the polynomial px is equals to one plus x square. If we take this polynomial, and now we will operate this polynomial as the given condition. If we take t of 1, we get what? P of 0 of 1 is 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 of x plus x square, which is equals to what? Which is equals to x plus x square. Now we will take t of x, what we get? If we put the p of x is equals to x, if we put the 0 in place of x, we get 0, and 1 in the place of x, we get minus 1. Plus here also we get x, here also we get 0, so we get minus 1 plus x. So if we take p of x is equals to x square, so we will put here, we will get minus 1 plus x plus 0, which is equals to minus 1 plus x. Now we will draw the matrix of this equation. What the matrix? That is x, that is 1, this is x, and this is x square. This is t of 1, t of x, and t of x square. So we get 3 cross 3 matrix. So first here we see the coefficient of 1, this is 0, coefficient of x, that is 1, coefficient of x square, this is 1, coefficient of 1, that is 1 minus 1, coefficient of this, and this is 0. Here also coefficient of this is minus 1, coefficient is this 1, and coefficient of x square is 0. Now we have to find the sum of the eigenvalue. Sum of the eigenvalue is nothing but the trace of the matrix. What is the trace of this matrix? That is equals to 1. Trace of matrix is what? Sum of eigenvalue is equals to trace of matrix. So what is the trace? Equals to 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is equals to 1. So our option D is correct. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.